those little patches of ice.
Make a right and make a left.
Water was gone at 8:30. Power was off. We're all obviously one of millions in the same boat as everybody in Houston. We're out in Katy, and it's cold, but we're trying to get through it with, as you can see, everybody is out and about.
It doesn't feel too bad at the moment.
And inside of the house, it's almost like -2 or -1. It's really cold inside.
Another round of precipitation will be coming across the state over the next 24 hours. Most of that precipitation will be in the southern part of the state.
We're kind of stuck here. I have 9 miles left to go with my car, so we have to find something that's within 9 miles from here. I have, earlier today, issued an order effective today through February the 21st, requiring those producers that have been shipping to locations outside of Texas to instead sell that natural gas to Texas power generators that will also increase the power that's going to be produced and sent to homes here in Texas. So the fact is, every source of power the state of Texas has access to has been compromised because of the ultra cold temperature or because of equipment failures.
And he was buckled in and his airbags all went off. You don't want to minimize that, but
This is a storm of a century, and it truly is. It's hard to deal with it all, but we're doing the best, dead level best job that we can.
how cold are you? You don't even have gloves?
We're just hoping the lights will come back soon enough because it's really freezing. It's horrible.